Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 Kubota LX3310 cab tractor. This tractor has 33 hours on it. So the story behind this tractor, the guy purchased this. It wasn't right for what his needs were, and he went to a much larger tractor. This is cab heat air LA535 quick attach loader with skid steer quick attach. Category 1 3-point hitch in the rear. He did have the windows tinted. It looks pretty cool. I left it alone. A professional shop did it. Kind of really cool. 33 hours on it. This tractor, I did acquire all the information that you'll need to know, but this tractor does have full warranty on it. Its purchase date was 7/21 of 2022. So the standard warranty for this tractor would go from 7/21 of 2022 until 7/20 of 2024. So it is under full warranty until 2024. Emissions on this tractor, obviously 7/21 of 2022 and will expire on 7/20 of 2027. Then powertrain warranty on this tractor, which is engine, transmission, hydraulic system, is going to have warranty from 7/21 of 2022 until 7/20 of 2028. There is also a surfaced and rust policy till 7/26 of 2024, and then a fading policy from warranty for 7/26 of 2025. So that stuff's all transferable to the new owner. What we did do is we took this tractor, again, it didn't need it done, but we did it. We did a full service, all filters and oils changed. It would be due at the 50 hours. We wanted to go ahead, get it done so that it was taken care of for the customer. So everything's been changed with all OEM filters, everything there is taken care of. So it is 33.7 hours. This is basically a brand new tractor at quite a savings in a tractor today. So we're gonna start here under the hood, take you completely around this tractor. Again, this is a like new tractor, obviously a 2022, and I'm sure we'll have a whole flood of why was it traded. There again, we're being honest. This was a brand new dealer trade. Basically, he upgraded to a much larger tractor for what his needs were. So, and that happens. We see people do that. But if you are looking for a nice tractor, here again, LX3310, something that they have done a complete redesign on in the engine area. A good many of these have been out. We've already sold some of these. Very good tractor. This would have replaced the well-known issues with some of the B3350s. Now, B3350s, in my opinion, still a good tractor if you run them correctly. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach, 60-inch front bucket mat. Is that correct? I do believe. I didn't put a tape on it, but it will be in your ad. And we will see R4 tires on the tractor. And in the front, that's going to be the Titans. And I believe they are a 23 by 8.50 by 14. And in the rear, 12.4 by 16. In the rear here, you're going to see he only had the 3-point hitch stuff hooked up one time. I do believe there is a grater box here and a 3-point hitch post hole digger that I think was used once. That had come with this package. Factory top link is on it. 540 PTO drawbar. Everything is there and complete. I want to open up the cab. This is some dirt here. I don't know why that got on there, but we'll have that cleaned up before it's sold. LED lights, the work light package. I forgot to mention that. Front and rear LED lights. It does have cab heat air, AM/FM radio with the Bluetooth radio in it. You're going to have your PTO selection of rear, mid and rear, and mid. You're going to have your PTO. You're going to have your 3 ranges, low, medium, and high. I do not own the music rights to this. I understand YouTube is starting to get very picky about that. So I'll go ahead. You can see the radio works. We're going to go ahead and turn that off. I will not run the radio while we are doing the video. 33.7 hours. Again, joystick loader control, throttle. Tilt steering wheel, independent brakes, 4-wheel drive in and out, 3-point hitch up and down. Does have the nice deluxe seat with the adjustable armrests. So I'm going to hop in this tractor, we're going to fire it up, we're going to run around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So one nice thing that I have noticed on these tractors, they are very quiet in the cab. There's been a lot of nice upgrades in my opinion. One of those also being with the loader. They've changed some stuff there. I'll put this in low range. And you can see there, it does have also the level gauge. Customer did add prior to put 2 chain hooks on the bucket, pretty common. There you can see 4-wheel drive's working, there you go, 4-wheel drive's out. So we're in low range. I'm gonna open it up. And we're gonna go ahead now, and I'm gonna kick us into medium range. These are a very smooth little tractor. You know, the LX2610, I'm used to saying B2650, but the LX2610 is the smallest tractor you can get with a factory cab with cab heat air. My opinion, I mean, I think the 2610 and the B2650 for that matter is a great tractor. They're again trying to stick away from emissions, but the power difference, and we are in high range now, the power difference in these tractors is, in my opinion, day and night. There again, you are going from a 3-cylinder tractor to a 4-cylinder tractor. You know, anytime I think you can get into a 4-cylinder motor, you got a lot more power. And you're going to also notice whenever you're running an implement, such as your brush hog and whatnot. And I still feel that the 2650s and the LX2610s, great tractors. If you never run anything else, you'd never know the difference. But that's just something as my opinion. But you can see they are very smooth. The Hydrostatic tractor, you know, personally, in my opinion of an 01 series tractor, I think the smaller 01s, in my opinion, I don't care as much for the Hydrostatic in them. I think they're a smidge jerky. I think they're a touch loud also. In these tractors, I feel that the Hydrostatic is very quiet. It is smooth. There again, that's my opinion. These are, the LX is, your premier of the, what I call the old B-Series tractor. So it has everything on it that you're going to get. This is as big a tractor as you're going to get in this series. It's cabin heat, and also still the smallest. Let the 3-point down, 3-point back up, open, close. One other nice thing on this tractor, if I can find it here, there's the front wiper, rear wiper. This does have the rear wiper option and the rear defrost. So that actually is an option. You'll see that in a lot of your L's too, it'll be an option. One other nice thing, these do have ducted heat in them. So you can take these diffusers, you can move around, you can see me doing that right now. You can throw heat down to the windows to help defrost stuff off, which is nice. Has a horn. I still do think, guys, right now, the situation we're in a lot of places, the market is steady. I don't care what a lot of people say. We're approaching today, today's February the 23rd. We had a 75-degree day in Pennsylvania. Earlier today, I was out in the lower tractor in West Virginia, myself personally, and I mean, there again, it was 77 degrees where I was at in Martinsburg, West Virginia, but it's crazy. We already got a lot of people looking at spring stuff. Spring is right around the corner here. So, there again, there is still some stuff. We're still struggling with some stuff, getting certain things that we need from manufacturers we represent. So, it is what it is. You just got to plan accordingly, and I tell a lot of people that if you do need some stuff right now, still continue to get out there, look for it, find it, and if you can find it, get it, because it is still a little harder to get than everybody thinks. So, certain quality stuff too. I mean, there's a lot of junky stuff on the market. So, enough of myself rambling on, but there again, here is a 2022 LX3310. Very fortunate to find this tractor, very happy to own it. Shut it off here. This tractor, obviously, brand new tractor, 33 hours, almost 34. There again, does have factory warranty. It's under full warranty, bumper to bumper. So, you know, let your mind at ease. Yes, this tractor is a like new tractor. Yes, it is in my possession. Yes, I own it free and clear. You know, we do our research when we buy something. We know what we have and we know what it is. That's part of what we like to do. And it's also service. This isn't like we bought this thing at some auction. We don't do that kind of sales. We don't buy any auction stuff. It's not my forte. So we like to buy dealer trades or private owned pieces, and we do a lot of that. And a lot of people know that I like this kind of equipment, so they call us and we write them a check. So that's what we do. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you'd like to see this thing yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. Come on by and take a look. We'll be glad to show it to you. So please let us know, guys, how this is working out. We're shooting new content with a whole different camera. It's working out great on our end, but we want to know from the customers what you think, the microphone. We've had a lot of good comments from people that do follow us, so we just want to know that we're doing a good job, and hopefully this year we can bring some new stuff to the table. So thank you guys very much, and as always, have a great day, and thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Take care.